How to download and install Snapchat. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download and install Snapchat on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Snapchat on an Android device. But the process will be very similar if you're using a different device to Android. So the first step, what you need to do is head over to the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar on the top of the screen and do a search for Snapchat. Tap on the Snapchat app in the search results and then tap on install. If prompted, enter in any passwords or user IDs to confirm that you want to download this app. Snapchat will then be installed on your mobile device. This process may take a few minutes to be completed. Once the installation is complete, tap on the open button to launch the Snapchat app. And that's all it takes to download and install Snapchat on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.